Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Teams chat history. This is incredibly useful if you need to keep records of your conversations, back up important information, or simply want to save your chat data for future reference. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to teams.live.com/data export. This is the dedicated page where Microsoft allows you to request and download your Teams data. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the same account associated with your Teams chats. After logging in, you'll land on a page where you can see an option that says Request a copy of your Teams data. This is the central hub for managing all your data export requests. Here, Microsoft gives you control over exactly what information you want to download from your account. Now, you'll notice there are two main options available for export. The first is chat history, which includes all your text-based conversations and messages. The second option is media, which covers any files, images, or other attachments that were shared in your chats. Depending on what you need, you can select just one of these options or choose both if you want a complete backup of everything. To make your selection, simply click the checkbox beside the option you want. If you need both chat history and media, make sure both checkboxes are selected. Take a moment to confirm your choices, because once you submit the request, you'll need to wait for Microsoft to process it. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click the Submit Request button. This action sends your export request to Microsoft's servers, where they'll begin compiling all your data. Keep in mind that this process isn't instant, so you'll need to be patient. After submitting your request, look at the top of the page. You'll see a status indicator that says Pending. This means Microsoft is working on gathering and packaging your data. The processing time can vary depending on how much data you have, but it typically takes a few days. During this time, there's nothing you need to do except wait. After a few days, return to the same page at teams.live.com/data export and check the status again. If the processing is complete, the pending status will have changed to download. Once you see this, click the download button. This will immediately begin downloading your Teams data to your computer, giving you a complete copy of your requested chat history and media files. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Microsoft Teams chat history and now have a backup of all your important conversations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.